Oh, look! Ethan's on a date with Anne Hathaway. Yes, that's the Anne Hathaway sim that I downloaded with a bunch of other celebrities. And she just kept on stopping by the house. She kept on passing by, and Ethan just happened to be outside and starts chatting with her. And then she came and visited again, and then she came and visited again. And they just really hit it off. I know. It really hasn't been long. I mean, yeah, Ethan hasn't seen Summer. It's only been like a day. Ethan hasn't actually spent any time with Summer since their woohoo session because he works strange hours and she seems to be busy when he's active, and Anne Hathaway just happened to be around. And so, and Ethan, well, I wanted Ethan to go on a date with Summer, but when I called up the UI to go out on a date, Anne Hathaway was the only one available because they're romantically involved now too. So Ethan is a scumbag. That's pretty much it. But he's gonna go